In this video, I'll detail how to set a camera timer when taking a picture on iPhone 6. So if you have an iPhone 6, on any of the iPhone 6 series, whether iPhone 6, iPhone 6s, iPhone 6s Plus, or the series, then this video is going to show you how you can easily set camera timer when you want to take a picture on your iPhone 6. So if I don't know this video, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Literally, when you want to do this, what you just need to do is open the camera on your iPhone 6 just like this. Then one of the camera page just like this, go ahead and click on the button just after the live button at the middle. Click on this, then you should see the timer comes up here. Then you can choose between 3 and 10 seconds. Go ahead and select how long you want the timer. Then once selected, click on the start button on the camera like this. You see the countdown, and after the countdown, this is going to take the picture on your iPhone. At the same time, if you set this to 10 seconds, and after 10 seconds countdown, your iPhone 6 is going to execute the timer, and once the timer ends, this is going to take the picture automatically. This allows you to mount your camera on tripod stand and then position yourself properly before you take the picture. So that is how you can easily set a camera timer when taking a picture on an iPhone 6. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.